We are pleased to show you the 2019 Pacifica. The Pacifica crossover features the driving attributes of a sedan and the utility and space of a minivan or SUV. The Pacifica has top-notch safety scores, an upscale interior, and a spacious cabin that leaves room for your family to grow. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: touring suspension, front license plate bracket, perimeter alarm, roof rack, Sirius satellite radio, trip computer, power rear window sunshade, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, compass. Create lasting memories with your loved ones on unforgettable road trips.